This BambooSegD 10-piece remote-controlled RGB light kit integrates cleanly with compatible Bambu Lab printers and other three-dimensional printing setups, making it a practical upgrade for illuminating models and workspaces. The remote control gives you fine control over color, brightness, and dynamic effects, so you can shift from functional task lighting to more atmospheric mood lighting without touching the hardware. Power failure memory means the lights return to your previous settings after an outage or unplugging, which is surprisingly convenient when you have a preferred color and brightness for regular printing sessions. The use of 4-watt COB LED modules in a solid aluminum housing provides bright, even illumination with good heat dissipation, so the lights stay stable during long prints. A long USB power cable and standard 5-volt 1 ampere input make the kit easy to power from a printer, computer, charger, or power bank, giving you flexibility in how and where you install it. Beyond three-dimensional printers, the compact bars work well in cabinets, desks, and display shelves, or as subtle decorative lighting for bedrooms, dorm rooms, and small events.